So we're going to be building a Jetski dolly, or like stand kind of thing. We're going to need these two movers dollies. They are 1,000-pound capacity each. The ski I'm going to do it for is a little skinny, so if you got something bigger, you're probably going to have to get a little bit wider dollies. 2x4s right here. We're going to cut these down to 6 feet for the ski I'm going to be working with, and then some screws to put it all together. Alright, right here is the ski we're going to try to put on the lift for the dolly. Measure the width here. I'm going to try to get it kind of in the middle of these two. See if I can get a good spot here. It's like about 14 inches on the outside of the rails. Alright, it's going to be 14 inches here. So on the outside rails, probably start them right on the inside of the little fabric area here. Alright, we finished it now. Let's check it out. Took about 20 minutes at the most. But now we got the ski a little bit closer to the ground. I can get it in the garage so we can put that back in.